Hello. This video presentation, the last installment in the series, Algebra 2 with Muscat, is about finding equations with imaginary solutions. Remember, and again I said this is going to be a review for the exam, that our equations were equal to x squared minus the sum of our roots, sum of roots, times x, plus the product of the roots, product of our roots. We did this in Unit 4, and we're going to revisit it right here really briefly. So if I say find an equation with roots of 2 plus or minus 3i, we'd have 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, and the sum is 4. The 3i's just cancel. We take 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, we multiply, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6i, plus 6i, minus 9i squared. Or, these cancel, 4 minus 9 times negative 1. And then if there's one place people make mistakes, it's right with this. It's 4 plus 9, or the product is 13. Oftentimes, people screw up the sign here, so be careful. All right, so my equation is 0 equals x squared minus the sum, 4x, plus my product, plus 13. Let's do one last example. What happens if the roots are 2 plus or minus I over 3? Well, the sum, 2 plus or minus 2 plus I over 3 plus 2 minus I over 3 is equal to 4/3. The i's cancel. 2 plus 2 is 4. We have a common denominator. It stays the same. The product is equal to 2 plus I times 2 minus I over 3 times 3. And we get 4, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2i, plus 2i, minus I squared, and 3 times 3 is 9. This 2i and negative 2i is always going to cancel. This is always going to be plus, because it's going to be minus a negative. So we have 4 plus, well, I'll write it this way, minus negative 1 over 9, or 5/9. Now, our sum, remember, this is the product. And our sum was 4/3. Sum is 4/3. So we have x squared minus the sum plus the product is equal to 0. And if you remember, we do not want fractions in the answer, so we multiply both sides by 9, and we get 0 equals 9x squared. 9, well, I'll write it out, minus 4/3 times 9 over 1, x, plus 5/9 times 9 over 1. 9's cancel. The 3 goes into 9 3 times. And we have, for our final answer, 0 equals 9x squared minus 12x plus 5. Now, of course, this step here does not have to be written down. You should be able to multiply 4/3 times 9 in your head. All right, that does it. It's been a great year, and let's get ready for our exam. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later.